чує, тихо не чує. Прийом, передаю.
Hi guys, I'm Seat from Warthog Defense. We have an excellent battle footage here, but before we see the video today, we have another donating campaign for Ukraine, for Ukrainian armed forces. Ukrainian Aid Operations is international group of volunteers which secures equipment for the armed forces of Ukraine. This campaign aims to finance 12 anti-drone guns and 12 electronic domes to protect the armed forces of Ukraine from relentless Russian drone warfare. You will see the links in the description, you can donate there. Let's see the video.
Before we see the donating campaign, we will see some hardcore battle footage. Ukrainian soldiers of the 12th Special Purpose Brigade Azov of the National Guard captured a Russian position under heavy enemy fire in the Kremina Forest, Luhansk region.
Тихо не чує. Прийом, передаю.
Він там справа був, братан.
Граната!
Яка граната?
Граната!
Блядь.
Браво, ти!
Сібись назад.
In the Mariinsky direction, Ukrainian soldiers repelled another attack by the Russian occupiers. Results of the work of Ukrainian paratroopers. This is from the Russian side, but it's interesting though. In Mariinka direction, Russian military demeans Ukrainian field mines with the help of MTLB kamikaze with explosives. It is difficult to speak about the effectiveness of this performance. And we have good news. 213 Ukrainian soldiers, 11 officers, and 6 civilians were released today from Russian prisoner of war camps in a prisoner exchange between the two countries, which was brokered by the United Arab Emirates and included the release of 248 Russian soldiers and officers by Ukraine. President Zelensky said in its evening speech, "Today, despite all the challenges, there is good news for a long time. There was a long pause in the exchanges, but there was no pause in the negotiations regarding the exchanges. We use every opportunity, we try all mediation options. At every international meeting that can be of help, we raise the topic of the return of our captives, and we will continue to work to bring back all our people. Thanks to the whole team who worked and are working to keep the exchanges going. Budanov, Yermak, Azov, Malyuk, Klimenko, and of course, I thank each and every one of our soldiers on the front lines who take the occupiers prisoner and replenish our exchange fund. The more Russians we capture, the more effective the exchange negotiations will be.
Розблокувати обмін. Додому повернули і воїнів Збройних сил.
And let's see the donating campaign. Ukraine Aid Operations is an international group of volunteers which secures life-saving equipment for the armed forces of Ukraine. Our campaign aims to finance 12 anti-drone guns and 12 electronic domes to protect up to 20 units of the Ukrainian armed forces from relentless Russian drone warfare. They have already collected around 80% of the overall amount and just need a last push, hopefully. They have already bought the first anti-drone systems, and hear the video about how it works.
Так. Знімаємо задню кришку, нажимаємо кнопку і працюємо.
І працюємо.
Зразу, відразу.
Супер.
Нічого ми не знімаємо.
Нічого не знімаємо, ніякого
Значить, тут у нас
чехла.
є Це живлення, це частоти, на яких вона працює. Можна вимкнути всі частоти. Зараз мене мої зматюкають, бо я тільки що виключив інтернет в приміщенні. Ось, значить, але є стадія нижній поріг, коли батарея просадиться. І ця штука, це вентилятор і живлення.
Супер.
Значить, це зарядка, 10 ампер потужності, можна вставити в EcoFlow і напряму працювати без проблем.
Це просто супер.
Що є, який тут є must-have? Це взагалі off-top, я б навіть сказав. Це замінний батарейний блок.
Ау.
Блок виснажився, ми взяли інший, поїхали на БР-ку, взяли з тобою 4 блока батарейних, 12 мАч.
Ставили, накрили, закрили і пішли далі працювати.
Заліпили і пішли далі працювати.
Так, працює на Мавіки, що ще?
ТТХ, вона працює на частотах 1,5, це GPS, 2,4, 5,8, це відео і управління Мавіків. Далі, вона працює на частоті 900 МГц, а це частота польоту.
Це всі каміки.
Всі камікадзе, да, тобто.
Here the video about the procured jammers with Yuri, who makes the unit deliveries.
This is anti-drone gun which was made by a Ukrainian company, Mavka, and we received 5 of them to be given to units which are fighting now and which are under constant attack of Russian FPV drones and Russian other drones. This anti-drone gun can work on 3 different frequencies and attack FPV drones, Mavics, and other drones of the enemies. Also, we have 4 other company produced anti-drone Kupol system, dome system, which 3 just against of FPV drones, and the third one also works on 3 frequencies against FPV and other drones like Mavic, IoTel, and others. Slava to Ukraine!
Guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget the link for the campaign is in the description. And also I have to mention that the donations are tax deductible in the United States. Stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.